Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and I have a quick video for you today. I'm showing you how I transformed my porch for winter and Valentine's Day using a few inexpensive supplies from the dollar store. So let's get started. For Christmas, I decorated with garland around my door that was embellished with red ornaments and berries and red poinsettias. I also had a Christmas wreath, but I have since replaced it with this winter one. For Christmas, I also had this winter greenery arrangement that I made. So in order to get rid of Christmas, I removed everything that was red or Christmassy, and I replaced it with these hearts that I found at the dollar store. I just stuck the picks inside the arrangement. I added a silvery bow and a few pom-pom lights that I had in my stash, and I think this looks super cute. Next, I grabbed 2 strings of these glittery white hearts and 2 packages of silver glitter clothespins. I used scissors to cut the heart garland so that it was just one heart and a piece of string, and I attached them all over my greenery with the silver clothespins. And I think this is a great way to transform something that was made for Christmas into something that is perfect for winter and also Valentine's Day. And here's what the greenery around my front door looks like now. I think it is an excellent transformation. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? This porch transformation was super easy and really inexpensive, and I think it looks really good. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of great projects planned for the year, and I'd hate for you to miss out. Thanks for watching, and stay till the end for a few more pictures.